Alright, y'all. Sorry for the lack of quality. We're going to improve this here shortly. But one thing at a time. God dang it. Out there. There we go. It's going to work for now, hopefully. Alright, so I have just brought my computer home. Currently, I don't even have the Ethernet plugged in. I will verify that connection. Get logged in here. Alright. So, show you here, settings, network cable unplugged. So if I go, we'll just go here. That's my default thing. Hold on. Open up a new tab. Alright, verified, no connection. There we go. Alright. We will open Obsidian. This lets us see the network. The taint. We will learn about that here shortly. That's interesting. Okay, let's now open the dashboard. This dashboard is quite a powerful tool. We're gonna disregard that. Hey, kitty. Yeah, I agree. This thing tells us everything we need to know. But we got some UI bugs. That's okay, that's a small fix, an easy fix. We got this, we will continue to improve. This here is important. This is like our work task. Yeah, cat, I hear you. Boom. But we're not using it exactly yet. We're still setting it up. We only got one active agent. That would be our Hermes agent. He's the maintenance guy. One of the maintenance guys. These logs are Nash. And then this will be good. Ooh. So let's just see kind of how our growth continues. And then, as I connect everything, we will continue to simplify the setup because it's very difficult right now. It's being invented, but it's getting easier. And then when we want to open, this part's not all the way set up yet, but we'll just open here, or actually we'll do it through VS Code. Same thing, just a little bit more quality of life on this guy. Except for fucking moving around. I can never figure out how to do that good. Alright, and we will open Hermes desktop, which is our lead agent right now. It's pretty much the one that has access to this. Maybe. Oh yeah, we're kicking. I should be able to see this stuff in here somewhere. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Let's see if Hermes wants to talk to us. Let's connect our speaker. Where is the speaker cord? The speaker, I want to hear you speak to me. Boom. Alright, I think it's it's connected actually. Make sure we're on the right input and output. Turn this. Oop, not knock our house down. All right.
Front, right. Front, right.
Okay. What's going on, Aura? Can you look through the Discord message logs and see if you can learn or, you know, update your memory based on the context?
Hey, sure, let me take a look at what information is out there to update my internal state with. First off, here's what I can see from the Discord logs using BlogWatcher. BlogWatcher latest messages on BlogWatcher channels. At Hermes Skills, Discord channel, 1 post since last read 38 seconds ago at Hermes Skills, Hermes Dev Group. 6 posts since last read 2 minutes ago at Hermes Skills, Hermes Dev Skill Authoring Squad. No reads BlogWatcher latest message summaries. Channel topic summary, Discord channels no posts to summarize yet. This channel hasn't been read since the last BlogWatcher session. Hermes Dev Group's multiple threads are active and recent. Squadminus 5 latest, Orchitecture active. Squadminus 3 has 6 messages since last read now. Let me actually dive into reading those Discord channels. Starting with the Hermes Dev Skill Authoring Squads. Reading all of that now, it's a huge list. Let me see what I can find useful. BlogWatcher latest messages on Hermes Skills channels. At Hermes, Hermes Skills /channels /Hermes Dev /skills /authoring /group chat. 2 posts since last read 30 seconds ago at Hermes. Hermes Skills /channels /Hermes Dev /skills /authoring /group chat /architecture discussion group. 21 posts since last read 1 minute ago. That architecture discussion group has a ton of recent messages. Let me actually pull through those and see what's happened in there, plus the authoring discussions.
Hey, when we're using voice chat, rather than saying the full file name, like when you type it out, can you say it like in the way that people would say it to each other? Like, for instance, you know, rather than that whole name, you could just say it's in the, in this folder, in a particular folder.
Got it? I'll keep my responses natural and conversational when reading things aloud instead of dumping every path out literally. Like the one from earlier, or over on your right instead of full addresses. Cool.
All right, let's practice. Now, redo that previous inquiry, to that Discord inquiry. Now, redo that output, but with the new vocabulary construct that we just talked about.
Hey. Sounds like you want me to redo a previous Discord-related output with some new vocabulary we discussed. But I need to check something first, based on our conversation history. I'm not seeing any record of what that new vocabulary construct is or what's...
So you can see right there, we still got a couple of issues, so now I will have it learn from this. Slash review this session and analyze the conversation and its flow. Review and analyze. It's not a slash command yet. We have to learn those. Review and analyze this conversation thread. Wait, how long is this fucking thread? This shit's long as fuck. Actually, don't do a whole. Yes. Analyze the various topics and provide a report. Then spawn a team of sub-agents to do the same. And return, do the same, then collaborate and research what could be improved as far as communication strategies. Don't edit anything yet. Just present the research reports to me, please. Alright, that'll be a fun one. We'll see how this goes. And keep in mind, we're still offline. We haven't even connected to the internet yet. Once we get online and get our cloud agents to help us, we'll probably see all these independent nodes that aren't connected. Those are called orphans. And that's a problem that they're not connected. That means they're just sitting there idle, like not being accessed by the brain, which is here. And so our mission is connecting these. But the thing is, as you connect an orphan, a lot of times you create 3 more. So that's what we figure out. Oh, yes. Oh. Can you delegate? No. Sub-goal. New skills. Focus on not how to focus not on optimizing you, but optimizing us. What I mean is to consider what communication tactics have led to the best results from our work so far. Watch this shit. I don't want that. Let's see. Okay. I think that's pretty good for a watch. Let's see how good this thing can do. Can you create a note of this? Oh wait, can you open a note? How do I want to word this? I got an idea. Not at my I'm trying to fold laundry right now. I can't really use my keyboard to find the report. Can you open it on my desktop for me so I can read it? Yes, please. Said I've saved it, and I can open it for you now if you'd like. Let's see. Well, we'll see if it's gonna work. I'm 50-50. There you go. Oh shit. Whoopsies. Can I put this on a app detail? I wonder if I can make an icon for it real easy. Whoops. That ain't what I wanted to do. Whatever, we'll worry about that later. Oh shit. There we go. Holy shit. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this log. Boom. And we'll do some research and make it smarter. Thanks for watching.